Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and I'm going to take a quick look at this portable pet bowl. I got this for my dog Waffle for our camping trips, road trips, and just general travel. We've been using a hodgepodge of collapsible bowls, styrofoam plates to feed him and water him, so we wanted to up our game and get him something a little better. So let's get this thing open and take a look. All right. So what you get, stuff sack, that's about it. You can see how long it is. 1.5 to 2 times a phone is how long that's going to be. Opening it up, it's just a built-in mat, and if you didn't see, it's got these things that you clip around it. And that's how you keep it rolled up. It popped open when it came out. So there it is. It might be kind of hard to see black on this brown, so I'll hold it up. It comes with this built-in mat, and then it has these 2 collapsible bowls. So the bowls each are the same size. They'll hold 2.5 cups of food or 20 ounces of water. The mat itself is going to keep the area clean. Because it's silicone, it's going to be very easy to swipe down, wash, rinse off, keep clean. It's BPA free. It did have a little bit of smell when I opened it, so when you first get it, I'd recommend letting it air out, giving it a wash, and then it'll be ready to go. So we're pretty excited. I hope Waffle's going to love this for our trips, and it's going to make our lives a lot easier packing for him. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join us on our next adventure.